Hi, in this video we're going to talk a little bit about colors and answer the question if we all see color the same way. Everything you see, hear, feel, and so on is just in your head and may not even really exist. Well, and color is one of those things. Color is not something that physically exists, it only arises in your head. When light hits an object, that object absorbs some wavelengths and reflects some of them. And you see the ones it reflects. Otherwise, this is the reason why you feel significantly warmer in black clothes, or why a black car gets hotter faster. Simply, when an object is black, it means that it reflects almost no electromagnetic waves, so it absorbs all the energy and gets hot quickly. So we can probably agree that this is yellow. Actually, this is not yellow. Now you can say, this is definitely lemon or banana. No, that's not what I meant. The screen of a monitor, TV, mobile phone is made up of pixels, which are the smallest individual dots, and together they form an image. If you have a classic full HD display, that means 1920 pixels in this direction and 1080 in this direction. So you have over 2 million individual points of light in total on the monitor. But your display can't glow yellow. In fact, all the colors a pixel can glow are red, green, and blue. Other colors are achieved by combining these three in different intensities. Our eye perceives different combinations of red, green, and blue as one color. Yellow is achieved by combining red and green. Purple is achieved by combining red and blue. White is achieved by combining all three. And black is logically achieved by switching all three off. But let's get back to the main point of this video. Do we all see colors the same way? There are cones in your eye that sense electromagnetic waves and convert them into color. There are three types. Those that best perceive the red area of the visible spectrum, the green area, and the blue area. Other colors are created by combining. This is why screens glow red, blue, and green. But humans are not copies. One is taller, the other shorter. One has a bigger nose and the other a smaller one. And also one has a different number of different cones in the eye than the other. That means one may be a little more sensitive to red. Another one perceives blue more strongly. But the eye is not the only organ that processes color. The brain is in on it, too. And since colors only originate in the brain, they don't physically exist. How do you know that we all see them at least approximately the same? Let's say you and I are looking at a banana. You say you see yellow. I'll say I also see yellow. Only what if the color I call yellow because I've called it that all my life is actually quite different from what you see? Maybe the color I call yellow, you see as blue. Maybe I now see the color I call red. You also see the color you call red. But actually I see something completely different than you. We just call it the same thing. Maybe each person sees completely different colors, some that you have never seen, don't know, and never will, because it is impossible to imagine a new color. So my answer to the question of whether we all see colors the same way is that maybe we do, maybe we don't, and we'll never figure it out. Such a thing is called qualia in philosophy, and it describes our subjective perception of the world, and it is something that cannot be explained. Besides the perception of colors, another qualia is, for example, taste. We can agree that some food is salty, but we may both perceive that taste very differently in reality, and we will never know how the other person perceives it. That's all from today's video. Let me know in the comments section what you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will help me a lot. See you in the next video.